Geotab's IOX-KEYLESS helps you access your fleet vehicles in a hassle-free way. Drivers can access vehicles using a mobile app provided by the fleet administrator, or in some scenarios, an NFC tag. In this video, you will learn how to perform an advanced IOX-KEYLESS installation using the optional NFC reader in Start Inhibit add-ons. The NFC reader add-on allows fleets to access keyless-equipped vehicles with an NFC tag, while the Starter Inhibit add-on is used to prevent theft in specific installations. For this demonstration, we will perform the installation in a Ford F-150. You will need a variety of tools depending on your vehicle type. Some vehicles may require additional tools. Begin by locating the Go device in your vehicle. In most cases, the device is installed near the OBD2 port under the driver's dashboard. Remove the dash panels to locate the Go device and access the USB connector. Next, find a suitable location on the windshield to install the NFC reader. After determining the exact location of the NFC reader, use an alcohol-based wipe to clean the area. Dry the area to ensure all excess alcohol is removed. Proceed to remove the film from the adhesive. Then, mount the NFC reader to the windshield. Apply pressure for 30 seconds. Route the wires from the NFC reader to the Go device through the dash panels. Remove dash panels as needed. Prepare the IOX-KEYLESS. Cut the cable tie and remove the termination shunt to expose the expansion port. Connect the cable from the NFC reader to the IOX-KEYLESS USB expansion port. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Next, secure the IOX-KEYLESS under the dash in a suitable location using additional cable ties. Trim any excess tie. Proceed to remove the IOX expansion port on the Go device. Take the USB connector on the IOX-KEYLESS and connect it to the IOX expansion port. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Locate the starter and ignition wires in your vehicle. In this vehicle, the wires are located on the steering column. To determine the correct starter and ignition wires, you will need to turn on the ignition and test the wires using a multimeter. Once the correct wires have been identified, strip the true ignition wire. Connect the fused yellow wire from the kit to the true ignition wire. Solder the wires together for a secure connection. Once completed, insulate the wires using tape. Use cable ties to further secure the connection. Trim any excess tie. Next, prepare the starter wire. First, cut the wire and then strip the insulation using wire strippers. Take the 14-gauge wires from the relay harness and prepare with heat shrink or equivalent. Connect one of the 14-gauge wires to the wire that was just cut. Solder the wires together for a secure connection. Connect the other 14-gauge wire to the other side that was cut. Solder the wires together. Once completed, insulate the wires using the heat shrink that was prepared earlier. Reconnect any connectors that were previously removed. To provide a ground signal for the starter Inhibit relay, connect the wire with the ring terminal to a suitable chassis ground. Next, plug the relay into the relay socket. Plug the 10-pin Mullix connector from the HRN CX10S4 harness into the IOX-KEYLESS. Organize the wires using cable ties. Secure them in a suitable location under the dashboard. Trim any excess tie. Proceed to reattach all dash panels. The installation is now complete.